Welcome, my friend. Do you want to speak English every day? Do you want to speak with confidence? Do you want to sound natural in America? Then this lesson is for you. Today, you will learn easy English. Very easy English. Daily life English. Real English. Useful English. Speak with me. Repeat after me. Quantimi. Then one more time. Ready? Let's begin. This is my house. This is my house. This is my room. This is my room. That is my friend. That is my friend. That is a good idea. That is a good idea. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? You are very kind. You are very kind. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. I'm ready. I'm ready. I am very happy. I am very happy. I'm at home. I'm at home. We are together. We are together. We are Chimi. We are Chimi. They are waiting. They are waiting. They are outside. They are outside. He is my brother. He is my brother. He's very busy. He's very busy. She is my sister. She is my sister. She is very smart. She is very smart. It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. It is very cold today. It is very cold today. This is delicious. This is delicious. That is amazing. That is amazing. Where are you now? Where are you now? Excellent. You are doing great. You are learning real English. You are building confidence. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. Joby. You are still here. You are still learning. That is amazing. That is amazing. Every sentence you practice makes you stronger. Every sentence you practice makes you stronger. Now, let's continue. Now, let's continue. This is my favorite chair. This is my favorite chair. That is a nice picture. That is a nice picture. Where is the kitchen? Where is the kitchen? Where is the coffee? Where is the coffee? You are doing very well. You are doing very well. You are learning fast. You are learning fast. I am a little tired. I am a little tired. I am ready to learn. I am ready to learn. We are having fun. We are having fun. We are learning together. We are learning together. They are in the living room. They are in the living room. They are talking quietly. They are talking quietly. He's at your work. He's at your work. He is having lunch. He is having lunch. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. She is very friendly. She is very friendly. It is time to eat. It is time to eat. It is almost noon. It is almost noon. This is a good restaurant. This is a good restaurant. That is my favorite place. That is my favorite place. Where is your family? Where is your family? Where is your car? Where is your car? You are welcome here. You are welcome here. You are always welcome here. You are always welcome here. I am hungry now. I am hungry now. I am looking for food. I am looking for food. We are going downtown. We are going downtown. We are leaving soon. We are leaving soon. They are waiting for us. They are waiting for us. They are excited to see us. They are excited to see us. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. He is ready to help. He is ready to help. She is making dinner. She is making dinner. She is smiling today. She is smiling today. This is a wonderful moment. This is a wonderful moment. That is exactly what I need. That is exactly what I need. Where is the nearest store? Where is the nearest store? Where is the checkout counter? Where is the checkout counter? You are getting better every day. You are getting better every day. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. Remember this. Remember this. Small steps create big results. Small steps create big results. Simple sentences create strong English. Simple sentences create strong English. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Keep repeating. Keep repeating. Your confidence is growing. Your confidence is growing. Your English is improving. Your English is improving. And the best part, you are speaking real English. You are speaking real English. Get ready. Get ready. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back, my friend. You are doing an excellent job. You are doing an excellent job. Take it your Jimmy. Take it your Jimmy. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Clear English is powerful. Clear English is powerful. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day. I am feeling great. I am feeling great. I am ready for a new day. I am ready for a new day. This is my morning coffee. This is my morning coffee. This is exactly what I need. This is exactly what I need. That is a lovely view. That is a lovely view. That is a peaceful place. That is a peaceful place. Where is the newspaper? Where is the newspaper? Where is my breakfast? Where is my breakfast? You are looking fantastic today. You are looking fantastic today. You are full of energy. You are full of energy. I am going to the store. I am going to the store. I am buying a few things. I am buying a few things. We are walking together. We are walking together. We are enjoying the weather. We are enjoying the weather. They are waiting at the corner. They are waiting at the corner. They are having a nice conversation. They are having a nice conversation. He is driving carefully. He is driving carefully. He is listening to music. He is listening to music. She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. She is having a wonderful day. She is having a wonderful day. It is a busy morning. It is a busy morning. It is time to get moving. It is time to get moving. This is my favorite store. This is my favorite store. That is a great deal. That is a great deal. Where is the fresh fruit? Where is the fresh fruit? Where is the milk section? Where is the milk section? You are becoming more confident. You are becoming more confident. You are speaking better every day. You are speaking better every day. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. I am grateful for this opportunity. I am grateful for this opportunity. We are learning something new. We are learning something new. We are making real progress. We are making real progress. They are helping each other. They are helping each other. They are working as a team. They are working as a team. He is carrying the bags. He is carrying the bags. He is helping his family. He is helping his family. She is preparing lunch. She is preparing lunch. She is doing a wonderful job. She is doing a wonderful job. This is an important lesson. This is an important lesson. That is a smart choice. That is a smart choice. Where are we going next? Where are we going next? Where are our friends? Where are our friends? You are stronger than yesterday. You are stronger than yesterday. You are closer to your goal. You are closer to your goal. Keep speaking slowly. Keep speaking slowly. Keep speaking clearly. Keep speaking clearly. Every sentence matters. Every sentence matters. Every word builds confidence. Every word builds confidence. Your English journey is growing. Your English journey is growing. And guess what? And guess what? You magiate. You magiate. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. You started this journey. You started this journey. And now you are finishing strong. And now you are finishing strong. Take a moment. Take a moment. Feel proud of yourself. Feel proud of yourself. You worked hard. You worked hard. You stayed focused. You stayed focused. This is your achievement. This is your achievement. This is your success. This is your success. Today is a special day. Today is a special day. I am feeling confident. I am feeling confident. I am speaking English with ease. I am speaking English with ease. This is becoming natural. This is becoming natural. That is a great feeling. That is a great feeling. Where is the fear? Where is the fear? It is disappearing. It is disappearing. You are becoming more comfortable. You are becoming more comfortable. You are becoming more fluent. You are becoming more fluent. I am talking with confidence. I am talking with confidence. I am expressing my ideas clearly. I am expressing my ideas clearly. We are moving forward. We are moving forward. We are reaching our goals. We are reaching our goals. They are listening carefully. They are listening carefully. They are understanding me. They are understanding me. He is speaking clearly. He is speaking clearly. He is enjoying the conversation. He is enjoying the conversation. She is smiling with confidence. She is smiling with confidence. She is proud of her progress. She is proud of her progress. It is a beautiful opportunity. It is a beautiful opportunity. It is never too late to learn. It is never too late to learn. This is a new beginning. This is a new beginning. That is an exciting future. That is an exciting future. Where is your dream? Where is your dream? It is right in front of you. It is right in front of you. You are ready for new challenges. You are ready for new challenges. You are ready for new conversations. You are ready for new opportunities. You are ready for new opportunities. I am meeting new people. I am meeting new people. I am learning every day. I am learning every day. We are creating a better future. We are creating a better future. We are growing together. We are growing together. They are celebrating success. They are celebrating success. They are enjoying the moment. They are enjoying the moment. This is not the end. This is not the end. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. That is the power of learning. That is the power of learning. Where are you going next? Where are you going next? You are going higher. You are going higher. You are going farther. You are going farther. You are going forward. You are going forward. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. Keep speaking every day. Keep speaking every day. Keep believing in yourself. Keep believing in yourself. Your English is stronger now. Your English is stronger now. Your confidence is stronger now. Your confidence is stronger now.